Does this look like some sort of bird head with 2 eyes and a beak chewing on something? Go back and take a look at it if you missed it. I was completely surprised how good this cake is. Hi there and welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Lifeofpang. Martha has suggested this cake a year ago, but my store never had plums. Comment below if you want to see something bake in the rice cooker. You need to rush to the store, buy plums, and make this cake today. Use any plums you can get your hands on. Mine are medium size and I used 5 of the plums. Depending on the size of your plums, you may need more or less. And I quartered mine along with some slices as well. Add as much plums as you like. If you are using a measuring cup, do not pack your flour into your measuring cup, but scoop the flour into the cup and then level it off with a straight edge. This will give you the right amount for this recipe. Kitchen scale would be even better. If you do not have almond flour, you could just ground up some almonds. For those of you who like written recipes, I made it easy for you. The full written recipe, instructions, and oven baking is in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. You can use plain Greek yogurt or even sour cream. I use coconut oil here, but add any light tasting oil that you have. If you are new to rice cooker baking, do check out the tips at the end because they will help you to be successful in baking in your rice cooker. Just whisk the ingredients to incorporate, don't overmix it. Now grease or line your pot. Place the plums in whatever design you like. Then sprinkle the brown sugar on top. And the amount of batter in my rice cooker, it will take about 3 to 4 bake. Put a paper towel to catch condensation and let's bake. For my rice cooker, 1 bake cycle is 5 minutes in hot heat in the cook status and 25 minutes in warm heat in the warm status. Do check out the oven baking instruction in the description box below. I usually check after 2 bake cycle, which is 60 minutes, and nope, still wet. Wet spots on the paper towel usually mean it's done. And after 4 bake cycle, which is 2 hours later, and just for comparison, this will take about an hour to bake in the oven as well. And the cake is done. Cool this for about 20 to 30 minutes if you want to serve it warm. If you did bake any of my recipe, do share your pictures or a short video with me. You can email me directly or connect with me on any of your favorite social media networks. All my links are at the bottom of the description box. The cake base is like a pound cake texture. And the plums, they add such a beautiful color, don't they? By the way, please do like this video if you enjoyed it. And be sure to subscribe if you have not done so, that way you don't miss any delicious recipes. I do release a new recipe every Saturday. And oh yummy, look at that fruit. And please consider supporting my channel by using my Amazon links below. There is no additional cost to you. But if you did purchase something, I get a little bit of commission. And with that little bit, it helps me buy more ingredients to test more cakes for you. I thank you and really appreciate you supporting me. The almond flour gives this cake a buttery taste without any butter. And the plums, they really add just the right amount of tartness that makes this cake so good. This will definitely be a staple recipe for me. You won't believe how good this cake is. Just make it. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. This cake is a medium sweetness level. Be sure to watch more videos that's popped up on YouTube here for you. If you're not on YouTube, expand the description box for links to more recipes. Go get your plums and make this cake. You won't regret it.